Hello, Shalim.
Hi,
Hi,
How you
it's night in my country.
doing? How is Bangladesh?
Bangladesh is
Bangladesh
beautiful.
is beautiful.
Okay, so where in Bangladesh are you right now?
In Bangladesh,
In Bangladesh,
just beside the
just beside
India,
the India
and
and
it's Saipur city.
Typhoon City.
Okay, I just we had a service in church this evening, so we just rounded off a few moments ago.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's up? So are you done with my logo?
Yeah, yeah, I will start
I will
work,
start
but I
work,
need
but I
some
need some
verification from your side.
verification from your
Then
side,
I will start
and I
working.
will start working.
Okay. So what do you need to?
I have just sent it.
I have just sent it.
Okay. You just sent me a photo right now, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, I'll have to cut this call and check it out. Is that okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Let, let me quickly check it out. I'll call you back.
Okay.
Hello, Shalim.
Yeah. Have you checked all the
Okay.
options?
Yes, I've checked everything out. They are quite okay, quite beautiful. Um,
Okay.
but like I told you before, it's a restaurant where they sell food, and the managing director of the restaurant is currently not here. So I'm gonna send these pictures to him. So by tomorrow morning, he'll give me feedback as to the one
Okay.
he wants to go with.
Okay.
Is that okay?
By the way, these seven are not the logos. Actually, I sent you this so that I can move forward with the with your
Okay.
style, so that you can select something. Like my first question among them was, which one? Which one
Okay.
do you like more, and which
Okay.
text style? Two question: which one and which text style you want from here,
Okay.
so that I can move
Okay.
forward and show you some creative ideas.
Okay. Great. Okay.
Okay.
So I believe he's gonna like the number one. Yeah, I
It's
believe
going
he's
to
gonna
be
like the number one.
number one, right?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna send it to him. I guess um this is after 9 p.m. So I think the owner of the restaurant will be sleeping by now. So I'm gonna send it to him and drop a voice note message. So as soon as he
Okay.
wakes up very early in the morning, he will give me feedback.
Okay. By the way,
Yeah.
if at the end of the final design, if you like the design, then
Yeah.
do you have the authority to pay me, or you have to consult with anyone
Okay.
else?
All right. Okay. No problem. Okay. That's cool.
If you like the design, then
Yeah.
will you pay, or you have to discuss with someone else?
No, I'm not gonna discuss with someone else.
Okay. By the
Yeah.
way, if you like the design, my service price is 15 Australian dollar. 50,
Oh,
50.
okay. 50.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So are
That's
you okay
cool.
with this?
Okay. So by tomorrow morning, I'll let you know the one that will be going with, right?
Yeah. Actually, I have sent you seven options, and these are not the final logo. I have just sent you this as a reference, and we will move with that to make customizable design accordingly your brand. As you
Okay.
have said BB to be a text and all other things, we will customize it accordingly your restaurant.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
that's cool. That's cool.
Okay.
I'll definitely give you feedback tomorrow morning.
Okay, thank you, I will be waiting.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.
And can I share this meeting if with someone else? Actually I have
Okay. It's fine.
uh, okay. Okay, thank you.
It's fine. It's
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, it was nice talking to you.
Okay. Yeah.